Good morning, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depend on where you are watching this video from right now. I want to say thank you for following me and then watching my videos, all the platforms where my videos have been trending, have since gone viral. It's you guys' effort. It wasn't my effort alone, it's a collective effort. We did this together, guys. So I want to say thank you for all you've been through with me this why, and I want to say thank you so much. God bless you. Now today I'll be talking to us about microworkers.com. It's a site I came across. I was on a research and I came across it, and I think I love their business model. I want to share with you so that you too can be a partaker of what I've seen, or the model I've seen that is working for me. So I will show you this with proof of what I've done, some jobs I've gotten. I just did about 2 or 3 jobs on the platform already, and then how to sign up, how to receive your commission or your the money for the job you have done, and then and all of that you are going to know them in this video. So thank you so much. I'll jump into my laptop screen now, so I can show you guys how this thing is done perfectly and how you can make some money from this platform. And the good part of it is that every part of this world, everywhere, you can participate in this. It's just like Facebook, Twitter, and all. Everywhere in the world, you can participate from. Thank you so much. I'm going into the laptop screen now.
So if you want to register, you just click on this place, register, click on register to take you through the process, your email, your name, and every detail you see there. Quickly do that because I won't go into that much again. So you just follow the due process here, follow the due process, and then you'll be sent a confirmation into your email, and then you go over to your email and confirm. Confirm after then you sign in, you log in. This is the login process. I'm taking us through that now. I already have an account here, so I will only log in and show us what I need to show us. So we are in already. As you can see, I have 7 jobs available already here. 7 jobs are available for me already, and these 7 jobs, these are what I stand to earn on these jobs. Okay, now here, this very one is saying I'll be earning 0.9 cents on completion. Then the same one, this second one also the same amount, third one also the same amount. This is going to be giving me 35 cents, right? Like that, you see 50 cents. So once you do all this job, you're going to be paid. And these are jobs, these are all the jobs, these are stuff you can do: video, music sharing platform, social media promotion, others, translation, moderation, and all. You see, we have write and rewrite an article, blogging, lead, write a review, download and install, forum, question, answer, and comment. All of that. These are jobs that are here that you can do and make some money from this platform. And let's look at moderation. I don't think I have any job on moderation right now. I have 0 jobs available under moderation at the moment. Then you can, I swear, I'll take us to tasks are finished. That is where jobs are finished. This is where you're going to see it. You're going to see it here. There are higher group tasks, and then we have basic tasks. These are the 2 jobs you can participate in. Random workers participated, and the higher group tasks, you and other invited workers participated. Now I think I participated in 2 of this on this very account, right? This is an account I used for training. Okay, so you can see There are two jobs I did that I submitted 3 days ago. You can see the record here. These are the jobs. I think I was asked to create email and to create a Gmail account. So these jobs were not rated fine. I think it was not accepted. Maybe I didn't do it very well or something. But the details are here. You can check all your details here. Why you're having issue with that job. Now you can create your own campaign. Look at it here. You can create your own campaign, your own kind of job. If you have a job you want to give out, you're looking for people to subscribe to your to create Gmail for you. You're looking for people to subscribe to your YouTube channel. You're looking for people to do some minor micro jobs for you. This is the place. Now deposit. You can deposit some money, to run a campaign here, because you can actually run a campaign here. They use MasterCard, Discover, and all of that. They use them here. A withdrawal. You can also withdraw your fund from here. You place a new withdrawal request. Now, I already have an account linked to this already, this very account. So if I want to withdraw, I place a withdrawal request here. Let's see what it will tell us. You see, you can use PayPal to withdraw on this platform. You can use Onto to withdraw, minimum of $9. You also have Skrill, you have Payoneer, you have ATM, and then Payoneer, Skrill, and about 4 or 5 of them here you can make use of. And these are my account details that I use in creating the account. You can see them all over here again. You can see them. You see these are the name, phone number verified. Then this phone number verification, there is something about this I will need to let us know, because after the registration they will ask you to send your phone number to them for verification. So they are going to tell you the number you're going to send your phone number to. They will send, you see it when you're trying to do this phone number verification. It's not very hard. They will send you a number. They will tell you a number. You're going to text your own very number you're using registering to them, so they can verify. After like about 2-3 minutes, you see it to be verified. When you go back, after texting your own number you're using registering to them, so they will verify it. They'll confirm this is the number you use from their own end, and by so doing, you're going to have this verified check here. You're going to see it here in green that you have been verified, right? So this is how this thing is. And then I'm going to show us how to get jobs. I think jobs come in here about within 6 hours or so. So immediately you open an account, you're not going to get job immediately. No, you won't get jobs immediately. It takes some time. They will do some verification and processes and all of that. So it takes time for you to get job. But once you're done with those jobs, when the jobs come, you can begin to attend to them and sure you're going to get paid. So it's nothing too serious. Like I said earlier, every part of the world you can participate in this micro worker program from. You can make money from here everywhere in the world. It's not restricted to Nigeria alone. It's not restricted to US people, UK, and all of that. Everybody can participate anywhere in the world you find yourself. You can participate. So I believe this good news I brought our way has done us good. All you need to do is just to go into it, register, sign up, and then you begin to see yourself making money from this platform. The money is not very much, but I believe that with little drop of water and ocean will be made. Okay, so a little drop of water can make you something serious. Okay, so you don't need to wait and be waiting until you have big jobs. Just be doing this first, and then look into my other videos and see what you can do for yourself that will generate you real good money. So real good fund. And that is how the big boys and the big girls roll. If you are not making money digitally, you are lacking behind. If you are not striving to make hard currency, you are on a long thing. Guys, do well to go into every videos as such that I have put out there. I'll put on my platforms. For us, it is free. You're not paying for all these videos. They are free. And it took me time to create this kind of videos on how to make money online. So they are free videos, well detailed. Not everybody does this kind of video. And I believe these ones we've seen so far, they are very helpful, informative, and are very educative. Okay, so that is just it. God bless you and do have a great day. And don't also forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Wherever you find my video, try to follow, link up with me so you can be the first person to receive a notification each time I drop this kind of video. Thank you once again. Appreciate you. God bless you. Bye for now.